Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone, update system and camera app so live photo works correctly. Once done, open camera and switch to photo mode, then tap the motion or live icon to enable capture of short motion clips. Make sure you granted camera and storage permissions, because without them, the phone won't save the live frames. You're ready to capture, hold the phone steady, frame your subject, and get into position to take the first live photo. Now focus on execution. Tap the shutter. Live photo records about 1.5 to 3 seconds of motion around the shot, so anticipate actions slightly before you press. Keep the phone steady or use a short timer for moving subjects. You can combine burst if you need more options. Once captured, open Gallery, play the live photo, then use Edit to pick a key frame, trim the motion, or stabilize. This is where you refine what will appear when the photo plays. Finish by exporting and applying. If you want to share, export the live photo as a GIF or MP4 from Gallery. Most social apps accept those formats. If you prefer a dynamic home or lock screen, set the live photo as wallpaper from the Photos menu. If live photos won't record or play, check settings. Re-enable motion, clear camera app cache, confirm storage permission, and free up space. Then retake. That troubleshooting tip resolves most issues quickly, so you can keep creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.